I often get asked why my ads are not being shown on Google. Now, today I'm going to show you 7 of the top reasons why your ads may not be currently being shown on Google. So what typically happens is that people run their own Google Ads accounts, and they might have a various keyword, and they'll go to Google and they'll type in their keyword, and only to find that, hey, their ads are not being shown, but their competitors' ads are being shown. So what is the reason for that? So in this video, I want to tell you 7 possible reasons as to why this might be the case. Your ads might be paused or even disapproved status. So what's really essential to understand is that, look inside your campaign and see, firstly, check the status of your campaign. Now make sure your campaign is active. And if your campaign is active, make sure your ad groups are active. It's a very common slip up. Sometimes people turn off their campaigns or ad groups for various reasons, then forget to switch them back on again. But likewise, it could be that your ads or your campaign has been disapproved, and that alone will prevent your ads from appearing. So take a look at your campaigns to see if your ads have been disapproved, and if they have, just take the necessary action depending on why your ads have been disapproved in the first place. Your bids might be too low. So what that means is that you may not be bidding enough to get your keywords listed in the top section of Google. And remember, the ad rank auction is heavily dependent on something called a quality score. And if your quality score is very low, regardless of how much you're bidding, it's going to be really hard to get your ad to appear at the top. So essentially what you need to do, firstly, you need to check if you're bidding enough adequately in order for your ads to appear at the top of Google, and also check your quality score. If your quality score is low, you might like to do some investigation as to why your quality score is low. Is it the keywords? Is the keyword relevancy? Is it the ads? Is it the expected click-through rate? Is it the landing page experience? So there could be a multitude of reasons why having a low ad rank could prevent your ads from appearing, especially if you're not bidding enough for these reasons. Your bids might be restricted by maximum CPC. So it could be that, hey, for a given keyword, in order to get your ads to appear in the top section of Google, you might need to be bidding on, I don't know, let's say for example, $5 or £5. But you could have a restriction placed within your ad settings, within your campaign settings, so that your maximum CPC might be £3 or $3. So that will automatically prevent your ad from taking the full use of your maximum CPC, because you put a restriction in place. So make sure that if you think you're bidding high enough but your ad is still not appearing, check your maximum CPC setting to make sure you haven't restricted it. Running out of budget. Now that's a very common one. So what a lot of people do is that they set up their Google Ads campaigns, and come like 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. they find that, hey, our ads are not appearing. And why could that be the case? And it could well be that your budget has run out for that particular day. So if that is the case, you need to seriously take a look at when your ads are being served, what time of the day most of your budget is being chewed up, and what actions you can take to maximize your ads being shown at a time where you want them to be shown. Or, take a look at your budget. Do you have enough budget to market that keyword or group of keywords for that particular day? Negative keywords. So it could be that your ads are being restricted because you've got a negative keyword in place. So for example, you might be trying to bid for timber merchants, whereas you might have a negative keyword, let's say broad match timber. And that, remember, your negative keywords can be placed at various levels. They can be placed at ad group level, at campaign level, or even shared library level. So if that's the case, right, that could well be a reason why your ad is not appearing, because you've got a a negative keyword in place that is preventing that keyword from being triggered when somebody searches for it. Landing page relevancy. So it could be that Google deems your landing page not to be relevant to the keywords that typically people search on. At the end of the day, Google wants to provide the best user experience. Now, if you've got poor landing pages, or if people are typing in a certain keyword, they're going onto your website and they're going back off again, these are signals to Google to say, hey, there's something not quite right there. There's a bit of a disjoint between what people are searching for, the ad that's being shown, and when they click on the ad, they're going onto your website and people are just instantly coming off. So you're providing a really poor user experience. As a result of that, Google will automatically prevent your ads from appearing, or even minimize your ads from appearing. So you need to look at what it is that might be on your landing page, whereby people are coming onto it and they're exiting the page straight away. Technically also known as a bounce rate. Guys, if you found that useful, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, so that when I do produce new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And also, whilst at it, please do download my Google Ads ebook. Now, this ebook will show you a lot about how to create fantastic Google Ads campaigns. It's packed with really good information. So, if you want to take the guesswork out of creating your Google Ads campaign, this ebook is a must. There'll be a link somewhere around this video, or you can go to ajdhunna.com/Google Guide and download the Google Ads ebook. And guys, I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care and goodbye for now.